What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods, and today we're in this disgusting, messy room, and I'm going to change that. So basically we have a couple of plans coming up, alright? We want to do a beta fish tank, a male beta fish tank. Haven't done one of those in forever, and I want to give you guys a tutorial on what a beta fish needs and how to properly care for one, because I feel like there's a lot of misinformation out there, and I really want to clarify that for you. Secondly, me and Ryan are probably going to start doing YouTube lives. So if we do that, I want to move that couch to that wall, and hopefully open up some more space for fish tanks. So basically what I'm saying is we got to do cleanup, okay? So today, change is good, and we're going to change this room for the better. So before I get started, I do want to remind everybody, as always, to please like this video because it helps with the YouTube algorithm more than you know. All right, don't forget to comment down below and let us know what kind of fish tanks you want to see us do in this room. I definitely am doing a male beta tank. Really want to do it. Miss having a really beautiful big finned beta in the house, but also I've been kind of itching lately to do a nano reef. I really don't deep dive into saltwater too much, and I feel like it'd be a good learning experience, not just for me, but also for you guys at home. So let me know down in the comment section below if you think that would be a good idea, because I definitely have enough tanks. What do you guys think? I mean, just in this open area, I have 3 tanks. So anyways, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because 91% of you are not, and that's way too high of a number. So click the button down there, subscribe to the YouTube channel, ring a ding ding, the little notification bell, so every Thursday when we upload a video, you don't miss it. Anyways, let's get started with the cleaning. I'll talk to you some more at the end. Let's do it. Alright everybody, well here's something that you might not see every day from Aquascape Gods. So we are inherently lazy when it comes to taking down our old fish tanks. This tank held the guppies a few months ago, some of you might remember, and originally held the rabbit snails that are now in the big tank with the S-ribbons on the other side of the room. So the first thing we need to do if we're going to move furniture around is empty out this big boy and, well, move it somewhere else, I guess. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. That's the fun. Yeah, let's get started. Wait. Do rabbit snails breed? I know it sounds stupid, obviously they breed. But if you remember this tank, it only had guppies in it. Nothing else. Had no plants, had nothing in it. Okay, I'm going to take you off the tripod. You guys need to see this. I'm pretty sure that's a baby rabbit snail. Hang on. That's got to be a rabbit snail, right? It's got to be. I can't believe that it's alive. We got to move him. Right to your parents, I guess? This is a thing, guys? There we go. Welcome to the tank, little fella. You learn something new every day. That's crazy. Anyway, back to what we were doing. We're going to have to keep an eye out for more of those, right? There's no shot it was just one. Here we go. Back to it. Okay, so we took a little bit more than 5 gallons out of this tank. There's still a little layer at the bottom. We're at that point in the tank where it's a little bit difficult to get that out. So I'm going to remove the rocks, and I have these really cool baskets that I put them in. I used to separate the hardscape when I was organized, but as you can see by the whole thing we got going on here, organization is not really on the list at the moment. So yeah, we're going to remove the rocks. We're going to get this tank out of this room for right now, and then we're going to work on the rest of the room. So back to it, fam. I'm going to check each rock and make sure there's no rabbit snail babies on any of them. think we have any more babies. I think. Somebody comment down below and let me know if rabbit snails only make one baby. There's no shot, right? Like, I gotta be missing something. Comment down below and let me know. Alright, so I'm going to grab a garbage bag and we're going to get started on this disaster of a room. Didn't find any more baby rabbit snails. Checked the long tank again. I don't know. Waiting on your comments. I gotta know. I gotta know. Is it normal to find one? Help me, guys. Help me. Anyways, I'm going to go grab a garbage bag and then we'll get started. Let's do this thing. All right, so the majority of the garbage is picked up. Now we just have some stuff on the floor here and some other stuff on the couch. And don't forget, the idea here is that I want this right here to go pretty much over here next to this. So we got to figure that whole thing out. See how our baby snail's doing. You see him? He's in there. Okay. You guys could kind of see him. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to the rest of this room right now. I don't know what to do with all these fish tanks, so escape them at some point? Probably, right? That'd be a good idea. Anyways, let's do this thing. See you in a sec. Alright everybody, well that is the update on the fish room for right now. I'm going to show you guys around so you can see where everything is, and almost all the fish tanks are just temporary. I just put them there just to get them out of the way for right now. But we have a little miniature tank which we escaped a long time ago. We had a little bit of, I think, hair grass in that one. Never really did much with it. I do think that it would be a fun project for like pond plants though, as well as the shallow 88 tank. I think that would be a ton of fun too. We do have that Aquascape tank. I can't remember the name of it right now. And then an 11-gallon just normal rectangle, no name tank, as well as obviously the S-Repin tank, which you guys will have an update on next week. But some of you might be asking, Eric, why'd you leave a gap in the room? And the answer to that is actually pretty simple. That whole side of the room is going to be fish tanks, and in the gap that's over here, you guys are going to see the pond come in. Yeah, that's right, the pond. The one that we did months and months ago, before I was married, before I went on my honeymoon, all that stuff. Yeah, that pond. Still on my balcony, still looking good, but it is getting colder outside, so I have to bring it in. So we are going to be bringing that in here. We're going to get some grow lights on it. It's going to be near this window of death that I like to call, because it creates algae and everything. So the pond plants should still thrive in the house. At least I'm hoping that they do, because I really like that project. And when it gets warm again, I would love to put it back outside. But yeah, that's pretty much today's update. I hope that you guys like the layout and how everything looks at the moment. I know that I do. I can tell you that we are going to do lives from right here on YouTube when we can get started doing them. And I have another one of those lamps in this box that'll go on this side, and it'll pretty much just be like a Q&A for you guys. So look out for that announcement, because I think that doing a YouTube live with all of you would be just tons of fun. It's something that we've never done before, and you know, we're all about exploring uncharted territory with all this stuff. So yeah, so that's the update. Thank you for watching this video. I know we didn't escape anything today, But I promise you, now that everything is moved around where it needs to be to bring the pond in and to set us up to do these lives, there will be a whole lot more aquascaping videos. So before I go, I want to remind everybody, as always, don't forget to like the video, because you know it helps. Alright, comment down below and let us know what tank I should set up next and what kind of stone we should use in it. Keep in mind, the next tank I do in this room, the next tank I scape in this room, is going to be for a male beta. So try to keep that in mind. I got tons of driftwood, pagoda stone, Sirius stone, dragon stone, blue Sirius stone, other colored pagoda stone. If it's an aquascaping material, it's in this room somewhere, I promise. And let me know if you're excited for the future of this room. Now that we can really get back into the aquascaping aspect of it, now that the mess is gone, and we're setting ourselves up for the future, I'm really excited for the whole thing, and I hope that you are too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because 91% of you are not. That is just astronomical, so tap the little button. Alright? Subscribe to the YouTube channel, ring a ding ding, the notification bell. And as always, I'm Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a good day.